Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the GreenPan Lima ceramic hard anodized frying pan skillet set, which includes 8 inches, 10, and 12 inches pans. This set is perfect for those who love cooking eggs and omelets, offering a non-stick surface that's PFAS and PFOA-free, ensuring you a non-toxic cooking experience. The Thermalon Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick coating is free of lead and cadmium, so it won't release toxic fumes, even if overheated. Designed with a tough hard anodized body, these pans are scratch-resistant and built to withstand daily use. The riveted stainless steel handle is contoured for a relaxed and comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver. Plus, these pans are oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, offering versatility in your cooking methods. However, keep in mind that while they're suitable for all stovetops, they are not compatible with induction. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.